Today we're looking at how to calculate percent increase or decrease problems. So a lot of the times you will see these problems written as taxes on top, or tax on top of a bill, right? Where you're paying a percentage more that is added onto your bill, or tax that's just added on, that's being calculated as a percent of the original amount. Or a decrease, which is a discount. So like a 10% discount, a 20% discount, a 50% discount, or something like that. So the first thing that you want to know how to do is you want to know how to convert math words to math symbols, so that way you can solve things algebraically. So these are my multiplication symbols, and a lot of times when you see the word of in a math problem, or when you say the word of, you are thinking of the word multiply. Division, a lot of times you'll see the word per, right? And that means that you're going to divide, and per, is short for percent, right? And division problems can be written as fractions, which can be written as decimals, which can be written as percents, right? It means like part of something. And then equal, a lot of times you'll see the word is or equal to. So with a lot of these problems, you want to ask yourself a question, turn that question into math symbols, right? So really you want to go this way. You want to go from asking yourself a question in words to turning those words into math symbols and then solving it using math. So I'm just looking at a problem that I have here on Delta Math. I'm going to read it to you, and it corresponds with these values here. So my problem says, Swab has a loyalty card good for a discount at his local grocery store. The item he wants to buy is priced at $21. So he's getting this is a percent decrease problem. The item is priced at $21. That's the original price before discount and tax. After the discount and before the tax, the price is $19.53. So the new price is $19.53, which means that he had a $1.47 discount. How did I do that? I just found the difference between the original price and the new price. Find the percent discount. So there's two different ways that you can go about it, kind of depending on how your mind works or what question you are asking. So the first question that you can ask is, you can say, well, this is strategy one. Well, if you found the discount of $1.47, you could say, well, $1.47 is what percent, right? We don't know the percent, so we want to know it's what percent, so we use X for something we don't know, is what percent of multiplying, right, my original price. So $1.47 is what percent of my original price. So just to write this out a little more clearly here without anything else, like that. Or you could do 21X, right? So in order to solve for X, we're really saying, well, what number times 21 is equal to $1.47? So in order to solve for X, I would divide both sides by 21. That will create a 1 pair. And $1.47 divided by 21 will give us 0.07. I don't know if you could see that, 0.07. Okay, so that means that X is equal to 0.07, which as a percent is, move it 2 spots to the right, that's 7%. Okay, so he got a 7% discount. The other way you could think about this, I'll do this in blue, right, is you could say, well, the new price is what percent of the original price. So 1953 is what percent of 21, right? So again, in order to solve, we'll do 21 divided by, or both sides divided by 21, create our 1 pair. Then we'll do 1953 divided by 21. And we'll get the 0.93. So here we get X is equal to 0.93, which is 93%. So if you do it this way, the question that you really want to ask is, well, my new price is 93% of my original price, which means that I got a 7% discount, right? Which means because 93 is 7 less than 100. So since all percentages are out of 100, and if you don't know this, right, the word percent means per, right, out of cent, as in 100, right, like century. So percents are always out of 100. So if your new price is 93% of your original price, then you got a 7% discount. Or you can calculate the discount first by doing subtraction and then asking yourself, what percent of your original price is that?